Okay, fair point. One has to be conscious of the fact that it could be a short-lived move in the market, and therefore position yourself accordingly. Amitji, again, not exactly a theoretical question, but as they taught us in Mahabharat, ये यक्ष प्रश्न है. Why large caps over mids and smalls?
Because Shell, we believe that the overvaluation is a lot more uncomfortable in small and mid caps than it is in large caps. So what has happened is that the earnings have been relatively muted. But of course, this particular quarter, which has just ended in September, the earnings were slightly better than expectations. So what has happened is that the large caps, because of the fact that they went nowhere in the last 1 year, and because the fact that we did have at least some nominal growth in earnings, even though the real growth was literally nothing to write home about. So because of that, the large caps are back to the 10-year average. So the 10-year average P is where we are. So let's say for our Nifty, on a trailing basis, we would be at about 22, and on a forward earning basis, we are, let's say, at about 20. So this is a fairly more comfortable valuation for somebody like us to step in. But as far as the small cap and mid caps are concerned, the valuations are still uncomfortable. Of course, there are exceptions. If somebody can pick up stocks which go up parabolic from here, good luck to them. But we do not rely on that capability of ours to be able to pick up those hidden gems which will go parabolic from here. So the valuation comfort does not exist for us in the diversified portfolios in small cap and mid cap, but it does exist for us in a large cap blue chip portfolio. And even Goldman Sachs, they have basically upgraded Nifty. They have not talked so much about our small cap and mid caps. So I think this definitely has some large cap and blue chip bias, and plus the valuation comfort, plus the fact that FIIs may turn buyers again, and they would obviously buy more of large caps than they would buy the small cap and mid cap. So I think all these factors come together for us to get convinced that we need to play large cap, we need to play blue chips, and we need to play a short term to a mid term rally and not a medium term to a long term rally.
I think that's.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.